got a creative workshop running for some of our level 3 students from the different subject areas: agriculture, agricultural engineering, forestry, animal management and equine studies, all brainstorming on a potential marketing video. Coming up with all different kinds of ideas to express the beauty of the estate that they're studying in, and also their experiences on the courses here.
Within the industry there are marketing elements and a lot of public speaking and a lot of things like above and beyond your own. So this has been a valuable experience for you, not only in the presentation of things, but in ideas and marketing stuff as well, I think. So it's been of advantage to you in the long run, I think.